ask for, ask for, meaning to request something, to request something. I always ask for oat milk in my coffee. I always ask for oat milk in my coffee. Wait for, meaning to stay until something arrives, to stay until something arrives. I wait for my order near the counter. I wait for my order near the counter. Sit down, meaning to take a seat, to take a seat. Let's sit down at the table by the window. Let's sit down at the table by the window. Stand up, meaning to rise to a standing position, to rise to a standing position. I stand up to collect my drink when my name is called. I stand up to collect my drink when my name is called. Look at, meaning to direct your eyes towards something, to direct your eyes towards something. I look at the menu before choosing a coffee. I look at the menu before choosing a coffee. Point out, meaning to indicate something clearly, to indicate something clearly. I point out the mistake on the bill to the waiter. I point out the mistake on the bill to the waiter. Decide on, meaning to make a choice, to make a choice. I decide on a cappuccino instead of an espresso. I decide on a cappuccino instead of an espresso. Order in, meaning to place an order to be consumed inside. To place an order to be consumed inside. I order in because I want to relax at the café. I order in because I want to relax at the café. Order out, meaning to place an order to take away. To place an order to take away. They order out so they can drink coffee at the office. They order out so they can drink coffee at the office. Fill in, meaning to write required information, to write required information. I fill in the loyalty card with my details. I fill in the loyalty card with my details. Pay for, meaning to give money in exchange for something. To give money in exchange for something. I pay for my drink at the counter. I pay for my drink at the counter. Add up, meaning to calculate the total, to calculate the total. I add up the total cost before paying at the counter. I add up the total cost before paying at the counter. Hand over, Hand over, meaning to give something to someone. To give something to someone. I hand over my debit card to pay. I hand over my debit card to pay. Hand back. Hand back, meaning to return something to someone. To return something to someone. I hand back the change to the customer after the payment. I hand back the change to the customer after the payment. Cut off. Cut off, meaning to stop suddenly. To stop suddenly. The barista cut off the Wi-Fi after the shop closed. The barista cut off the Wi-Fi after the shop closed. Check out. Check out, meaning to pay for items before leaving. To pay for items before leaving. I check out at the till before sitting down. I check out at the till before sitting down. Look for. Look for, meaning to try to find something. To try to find something. I look for a free table near the window. I look for a free table near the window. Pick out. Pick out, meaning to choose something carefully. To choose something carefully. I pick out a fresh croissant from the display case. I pick out a fresh croissant from the display case. Pick up. Pick up, meaning to collect something. To collect something. I pick up my order when they call my name. I pick up my order when they call my name. Run out of. Run out of, meaning to have no more left. To have no more left. They run out of muffins before lunchtime every day. They run out of muffins before lunchtime every day. Write down. Write down, meaning to record in writing. To record in writing. I write down my friend's order so I don't forget. I write down my friend's order so I don't forget. Note down. Note down, meaning to take a quick note. To take a quick note. I note down the Wi-Fi password from the board. I note down the Wi-Fi password from the board. Call out. Call out, meaning to announce loudly. To announce loudly. The baristas usually call out the orders loudly so customers can hear. The baristas usually call out the orders loudly so customers can hear. Warm up. Warm up, meaning to heat something. To heat something. They warm up the croissant in the oven. They warm up the croissant in the oven. Cool down. Cool down, meaning to let something become less hot. To let something become less hot. I let my tea cool down before drinking it. I let my tea cool down before drinking it. Mix up, meaning to confuse two things, to confuse two things. They sometimes mix up the drinks when the shop is busy. They sometimes mix up the drinks when the shop is busy. Sort out, meaning to solve a problem, to solve a problem. They sort out the order quickly after the mistake. They sort out the order quickly after the mistake. Ask around, meaning to ask several people for information. To ask several people for information. I ask around to see if anyone is using that chair. I ask around to see if anyone is using that chair. Help out, meaning to assist someone, to assist someone. I help out by carrying the tray to the table. I help out by carrying the tray to the table. Clean up, meaning to tidy and remove dirt. To tidy and remove dirt. The staff clean up the tables after customers leave. The staff clean up the tables after customers leave. Wipe down, meaning to clean a surface thoroughly. To clean a surface thoroughly. I wipe down the table before sitting. I wipe down the table before sitting. Throw away, meaning to put something in the bin. To put something in the bin. I throw away the empty cup when I finish. I throw away the empty cup when I finish. Take away, meaning to remove something or order food to go. To remove something or order food to go. I take away a sandwich for my lunch. I take away a sandwich for my lunch. Take out, meaning to remove something from a place. To remove something from a place. I take out my laptop to do some work. I take out my laptop to do some work. Put away, meaning to return something to its proper place. To return something to its proper place. I put away my phone when my coffee arrives. I put away my phone when my coffee arrives. Put down, meaning to place something on a surface. To place something on a surface. I put down my bag on the chair. I put down my bag on the chair. Put on, meaning to start operating something. To start operating something. They put on the coffee machine in the morning. They put on the coffee machine in the morning. Put out, meaning to extinguish or stop. To extinguish or stop. I put out the candle on the table. I put out the candle on the table. Come in, meaning to enter a place, to enter a place. I come in every morning for my usual coffee. I come in every morning for my usual coffee. Come over, meaning to approach someone, to approach someone. Friends come over to my table while I drink my coffee. Friends come over to my table while I drink my coffee. Come back, meaning to return to a place, to return to a place. I always come back to this cafe because I love it. I always come back to this cafe because I love it. Go out, meaning to leave home for entertainment, to leave home for entertainment. We go out for coffee after work. We go out for coffee after work. Go back, meaning to return to a place, to return to a place. I go back to the counter for a refill. I go back to the counter for a refill. Check in, meaning to confirm arrival, to confirm arrival. I check in with my friend when I arrive. I check in with my friend when I arrive. Drop by, meaning to visit briefly, to visit briefly. I drop by the coffee shop on my way home. I drop by the coffee shop on my way home. Drop off, meaning to deliver someone or something, to deliver someone or something. I drop off a cake for my friend at the cafe. I drop off a cake for my friend at the cafe. Hang out, meaning to spend time socially, to spend time socially. We hang out at the coffee shop every Saturday. We hang out at the coffee shop every Saturday. Chat up, meaning to talk to someone in a friendly or flirty way. To talk to someone in a friendly or flirty way. He likes to chat up the barista when he orders his coffee. He likes to chat up the barista when he orders his coffee. Meet up, meaning to arrange to meet someone, to arrange to meet someone. I meet up with my friend for coffee. I meet up with my friend for coffee. Catch up, meaning to talk after not seeing someone for a while. To talk after not seeing someone for a while. We catch up over coffee and cake. We catch up over coffee and cake.